Hello and welcome to our presentation on 2D sketching in Fusion 360. Fusion 360 is a powerful computer-aided design (CAD) software that allows users to create detailed 2D and 3D models. One of the key features of Fusion 360 is its ability to create 2D sketches, which are the foundation for creating 3D models. Creating a 2D sketch in Fusion 360 involves several steps. The first step is to select a plane on which to create the sketch. This can be a horizontal or vertical plane, or a plane at any angle. Next, the sketch is created using a variety of drawing tools, such as lines, arcs, and circles. The sketch can be edited and modified using a variety of tools and commands. Once the sketch is complete, it can be used as the basis for creating a 3D model. The sketch can be extruded or revolved to create a 3D shape, or it can be used as a guide for creating a more complex 3D model. There are many benefits to using 2D sketching in Fusion 360. It allows for the creation of precise and accurate designs, and it makes it easy to make changes and modifications to the design. It also allows for the creation of 2D drawings, such as technical drawings or plans, which can be used for manufacturing or construction. Overall, 2D sketching in Fusion 360 is a powerful tool for creating detailed and accurate designs. Thank you for joining us for this presentation on 2D sketching in Fusion 360.